Hello dear traders, you're watching week review on stock market presented to you by InstаФорекс news team and me, Kate Nidachina. The US stock market suffered some losses as a steep sell-off in the tech shares on Friday pushed the Nasdaq index below the 4,000 points. JP Morgan Chase & Company unveiled its weak financial report, which seemed to set the pace for a retreat overall. Now let's look at some numbers. The S&P 500 retraced back from its record high close locked on April 2nd. The indicator lost 4%, falling below its 50-day moving average. The benchmark gave up 1% to 1,815.69 points, having lost 2.7%. The Dow Jones raised 0.9% to 16,026.75 points. The blue chip index shed 2.4% on the week. The Nasdaq plummeted 1.3% to 3,999.73 points to finish below 4,000 points for the first time since February 3rd. The weekly decline was 3.1%, the most significant decline since June 2012. Elsewhere, in the United States, the Friday report showed that producer price index grew 0.5%, although the analysts had expected it to tick up 0.1%. High inflation is favorable for the Fed as it closely monitors the price index dynamics and hopes for their acceleration. Meanwhile, Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index hit 82.6 points in April against the forecast of 80.8 points. On the corporate front, JP Morgan fell 3.7% on Friday after the corporation disclosed its quarterly weaker-than-expected financial report. Thus, the company showed the worst performance in the Dow components. JP Morgan said that the first quarter profits totaled $5.3 billion or $1.28 per share, which is below the Wall Street expectations for $1.40 per share. Thus, the company reported about a 21% decline in bond trading revenue and a 76% drop in mortgage origination. Merova Zinc Incorporated rose in early hours but closed session flat at $4.07. The quote spiked on speculations about higher number of bookings and hopes about increase in traffic for Zynga in the first quarter of this year. Apart from this, the company named David Lee, who is the vice president for Best Buy, its new financial officer. It was Week Review on Stock Market presented to you by Insta TV channel.